Welcome to this beautiful country estate on 10 acres where peace and tranquility are all yours. This private gated retreat has an adjacent buildable lot offering numerous possibilities. Surrounded by tall trees, a creek, and walking trails, it's a lovely property for entertaining and unwinding. A covered front porch welcomes you home. You'll discover an inviting interior with a spacious great room, soaring ceilings, and walls of windows. The gourmet kitchen features a large center cooktop island, granite, a built-in hutch, breakfast bar seating, and an oversized walk-thru pantry with wine storage. This more than 3,200 square foot home is thoughtfully designed with both formal and informal spaces. The main floor master suite is a private retreat with access to the deck and a cozy two-sided propane fireplace. It opens to the light and bright master bath with a jetted tub and a huge walk-in closet. You'll find another main-level bedroom and an office. On the upper level, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and a full bath. Head out onto the Brazilian Walnut Deck, ideal for entertaining or just taking in the wildlife. And you can enjoy your own tranquil private trout pond. You'll also find an unfinished bonus room above the garage. Plus, there's room for all of your equipment, vehicles, and toys in the 48 by 36-foot metal shop with 3 bays and RV parking. A gorgeous custom home where tranquility abounds. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information, please contact Steve Mead with Premier Property Group at 503-936-8110.